Hello, second grade. This is Module 4, Lesson 20. Alright, we're going to practice some fluency here. On your whiteboard, write down the answer as fast as you can. We've got 2 plus 5, or you could say 5 plus 2 more. And you should have had 7. Fill in the blank here. 7 plus blank equals 9. Write it as fast as you can. You should have filled in 2 there. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Here we go. 8 plus 2 more is, fill in the blank as fast as you can. Answer is 10. 10 plus 2 more, you should be able to do this real quick. Mental math, cover the 0, hide the 0. Should have been 12. Fill in the blank here. 5 plus blank equals 12. You should have filled it in with a 7. Now we have 6 plus 9, 6 plus blank equals 9. Fill in that blank. You should have had 3. Okay, we have our application problem here. It says Kendra and JoJo are counting their marbles. Kendra has 38 and JoJo has 62. Kendra says they have 100 marbles altogether, but JoJo says they have 90. Use words, numbers, or a model to prove who is correct. So go ahead and solve this on your own to see who is correct. You can use words, numbers, or models. Push pause and then push play when you're done. Alright, so to prove this, I used numbers. And what I did was I took the 38 that Kendra had, the 38 marbles that Kendra had, and the 62 marbles that JoJo had, and I added them together. So first I added my ones place, and 8 plus 2 is 10, and I need to bring that 1 over to the tens place. And then I added my tens column, so 3 plus 6 plus 1 more is 10. And I got 100. And Kendra was the one that said that it was 100, so I said that Kendra was correct. Alright, so we've been learning how to set this up vertically and add the hundreds and then the ones and then the tens place. And now I'm going to show you how to use a hundreds chart. So we've got a hundreds chart here, and what they did was they represented the number 76 here at the top right here. So they wrote 7 tens. They did 7 dots for 7 tens there. And they wrote 6 dots in the ones place for 6 ones. Then they represented the 27 down here. And they wrote the 2 tens, 2 dots for the 2 tens, and then they wrote the 7 ones in there. So what they did after that was they counted to see if we could bundle up any here to move over to the tens. So let's count. The top we have 6. So from counting on from 6, let's count 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We were able to bundle those up and move it over to here. Because when we have a bundle of 10, it goes over to the next column. Now let's look at the tens place. The top we have 7. Let's count on from 7 to see if we can bundle any to go in the hundreds place. So 7, 8, 9, and don't forget this bottom one, 10. So we can bundle all of these up and move them over to the hundreds place there. So we have 100. We now have 0 tens, and we have 1, 2, 3 ones left. So our number, or our answer, is 103. Let's try this next one. We're going to draw out our hundreds chart. There's the hundreds place, here's the tens place, and here's the ones place here. And we're going to look at the top number first. To represent 42, how many ones do we have? We have 2, so we're going to write 1, 2 dots there. And how many tens do we have? We have 4, so let's put 4 in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's look at our bottom number, 76, and let's represent number 76 here. How many ones? We should have 7. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones there. And how many tens? We have 6 tens. Let's put 6 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we need to see if we can bundle any of these over to move to the next column. So in the ones place, we'll start in the ones. Let's see if we can bundle any of these. We start with 2 up here and count on from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We don't have any here to bundle, so let's put 9 down here in the bottom because that's how many we have in this column. Now let's see if we can bundle any of the tens. We have 4 on the top, so let's count on from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got a bundle of 10 here. So let's take all of those and move them over to the ones column. We now no longer have any tens, so we're going to put a 0 there, and we have a 1 in the hundreds. So our answer is 109. Let's look at this one. Let's draw out the hundreds place value, the tens, and the ones. Remember, we're going to look at the top number first and represent that. How many ones are there? There are 3, so let's draw out 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many tens? There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's look at this bottom number, 97. How many ones do we have in 97? We have 7, so let's put 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many tens do we have? We have 9. So let's put 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want you to push pause, and I want you to see if we can bundle any of this up on your own. Then we'll solve this together. So go ahead and push pause and then push play when you're done to see if there's any bundling needed to be done. All right, so let's see how you did this. I started out with the ones place here. I have 3, and we're going to count on from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you bundle all of these up and send it over to the tens place? Very good. Now we have no ones, so we're going to put a 0 down at the bottom there. Now you should have moved to the tens place. We can start at 5 and count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You should have bundled all of these guys up and moved it over to the hundreds place. And then how many do we have left over? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Don't forget this guy down here. So we have 5 in the tens, and we have 1 in the hundreds. So your answer should have been 150. Go ahead, push pause and then push play after doing this one on your own. All right, let's compare our answers here. I have 100, tens, and ones here. I'm going to look at the top number. There are 6 ones, so you should have drawn 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 8 tens, so you should have drawn 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you need to look at this bottom number. You should have drawn 8 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you should have put 4 in the 10 spot here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you should have counted to see if we can bundle anything. Let's start with the ones place. We have 6 at the top, so count on from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can bundle these guys up here and move it to the 10s here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. Now let's count up the 10s to see if we can bundle any. You should have started with 8 and counted on 8, 9, and 10. So we can bundle these guys up and move to the hundreds place. And we have 1, 2, 3 left over. And we have 100 there. So you should have got 134. Go ahead and do this last one on your own here. Push pause and then push play when you're done. All right, let's draw our hundreds chart here. Well, let me make this a little bit better. There we go. Okay, so the top number, we have 9 in the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we also have 9 in the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The bottom is the same number. So let's put 9 in the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 in the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoops, this one disappeared. Let me write that again. There we go. Okay, so let's check and see if we can bundle any of these. We have 9 on the top, so let's count on for 9. 9, 10. So these guys are bundled up, and we're going to move them over here. Let's check and make sure that we don't have any more to bundle up. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 left over. Let's see if we can bundle any of these. So we have 9 in the top. Let's count on 9, 10. We can bundle these guys together and move it over here. Let's count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we have 1 in the hundreds. And our answer is 198. It is now your turn to do your seesaw.